How to fix suspended TikTok account. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, go to TikTok, go to your profile, go to the menu bar, go to settings and privacy. After that, go to support, go to help center, and then search for suspend. You can also write account suspension if that does not work. If you cannot find anything, go to report a problem. Go to my account. Go to manage account, or simply tap on this form icon, and here you can write about your problem. Tell them that my account is suspended. Give them your account details like email address and your username. Submit a screenshot and simply submit the request, and rest is on the TikTok's help center. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.